Hello, my friends. This is Jeannie. Welcome back. If you are a first-time visitor, welcome and thank you. I am here to announce that I have joined a collab. I did. If you will recall, one of my goals for 2018 was to get a little bit more involved. And by a little bit, I mean a lot, at least by my standards, more involved in some of the collabs that are hosted here by our crafty community. That being said, this is the second collab that I am joining this year. This one is being hosted by Gracie21. The name of the collab is CC Designs Collab with Gracie21. And as you can tell from the title, the theme is CC Designs. There are a total of 4 crafters. Four. I keep saying 4 because that's a small group, and I am absolutely thrilled at the size of the group. I think with this small group, you'll definitely be able to keep track of everyone who's involved in the collab, and 2, you'll be able to view each video no problem. So who are these 4 artists, crafters, YouTubers that are in the collab? Well, let me tell ya. We have Tina, who is Crafty Bean. Grace, of course, who is hosting the challenge. She is Gracie21. You have me, Happily Ella After, and Sybil, who is Sybil B. I will link all of these channels down below, except for mine because you're here, so I don't need to link you. But I will link all of these channels down below so that you can go check these ladies out. All fun, amazing, sweet souls. Definitely worth visiting, subscribing to. You will gain and learn so much. So, how is this going to work? Super easy. For the next 4 weeks, we will be sharing with you projects that we made using our CC Designs products, stamps, dies, whatever it is we have in our stash that is CC Designs related. Now, 100% full disclosure, I will be sprinkling in some non-CC design items because my CC design stash is not massive. Yeah, that might surprise you considering I'm a bit of a collector. But CC designs I have some of, but I don't have a huge, massive collection of. So I cannot do exclusively CC designs, but I can do the majority of CC designs. The stamps are most definitely going to be CC designs. I got that covered. But sentiments and dies and embellishments are going to be non-CC designs related. So that's how I'm going to take on this challenge. There is no theme. There are no prompts. It's just do a project and share it, which I totally love because for me, one of the most challenging aspects of doing collabs is working with parameters. I'm kind of like free-flowing creator in the sense that I might start off with one idea and by the time the project is done, whoa, it went in a totally different direction. And to me, that's part of the fun of crafting. So I'm really looking forward to this collab. Like I said, next 4 weeks, every Saturday, we will be posting a new video showcasing whatever project we made. I mean, off the top of my head, I know I'm definitely going to be making some cards. I was thinking of doing some tags. I also wanted to do kind of like a thinking out of the box type project, something a little different. In terms of themes, in looking at my CC Designs stash, and I guess this says a lot about me and what I'm attracted to about CC Designs, but most of my stash is totally Halloween related. So the point of this introduction video is not only to tell you about what's coming up in the next 4 weeks, but also to show you a little bit of the kit, if you will, that we will be working with. So I'm going to show you all of the CC design I have. I can do that because, like I said, I don't have a lot. So let's start. Most of my stamps are Halloween related, but I do have like 2 or 3 that are not. I have this beauty. She is called Mixed Media Butterfly. I will definitely be using her. She is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that hair. It is the hair that attracted me to her. Here we have Nymph Lucy, Rainy Day, Brigida. How do you pronounce this child's name? Brigida, I think. She's a cutie. I would just call her cutie. Gosh, they could have come up with, I don't know, just a different name. But here she is. She's a cutie. I have used her before. I used her to make a banner for, I think it was Gloria's Crafting with the Heart. For her banner challenge, I did use her, so she was fun to color up. And then here we have an Easter bonnet themed. Well, it's called Easter Bonnets. I don't know that I'll be using her. Olivia's Brella. She's kind of cute. I'll probably be using her. Oh my gosh. And then here we have, I should have mentioned I had a couple of Christmas. Here's Emma holding Star and Reindeer Lala or Layla. Layla or Lala. Either one. It's a really cute name. So these 2 I'm probably going to be using. Here we have Allie the Cloud Catcher and Mummy Monkey. Oh my God, the Mummy Monkey is something. Let's see. Oh my gosh, these are cute too. Here we have 2 Frankenstein themed CC designs. We have Frankie and we have Franken Lucy. Might be coloring them up. So you can see where I'm coming from when I say a lot of my designs are probably going to have to flow around Halloween. Unless I can figure out a way to use the stamp, but kind of create a non-Halloween mood. Sometimes you can use them to create a season. Here we have Devilish Lucy and Pumpkin Brigida. There she is again, little Miss Brigida. I didn't know I had her in 2 different setups. Where are you, little Brigida? Where did Brigida go? Oh my gosh. Am I totally like losing my mind? I thought I just showed you Brigida. I don't know where Brigida went. Whoa. Okay. Never mind. But I thought I just oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Here she is. So we have Pumpkin Brigida and Rainy Day Brigida. Ooh, Brigida has a closet full of outfits. Lucky her. I'll definitely be using her. She's a cutie. And Devilish Lucy, OMG. She is really cute. Definitely, you know what I'm thinking? Valentine's Day, right? Doesn't have to be Halloween. She could totally be Valentine's Day. Or some kind of like, I'm sorry, you know, little girl, you know, little troublemaker. I'm sorry I caused a little bit of trouble. Just saying, you know, possibility. And then the last 2 stamps I have are the only 2 boy stamps that I have from CC Designs. And this is Bones and Jack. They are cute too. So I don't know. This is probably going to inspire me or kind of get me to go online and maybe order a couple of more CC Design stamps, because they do have tons that I like. It's just that I already have so many stamps. You can't see it, but there is a wall in front of me that has no less than nine very long, clear, kind of like acrylic drawers, and each one is packed with my stamps. They are all labeled for the most part and categorized by design, if I have a lot of a particular design, or by theme, if I only have, you know, a few of a particular design, but a lot of a general theme. And it doesn't stop there. I also have my crafting cart next to me and another little another little cart next to my desk with stamps. So yeah, I have a lot of stamps, so I've been trying to slow it down with purchasing stamps. But that being said, I might have to go in and pick up a few CC designs because I know there is so much cuteness out there. Now, the only die set that I have by CC Designs is this. I think it is like a card building kit. I'm going to remove it from the package to see if it has a name on the back. All it says is make a card number 9. So essentially what you get with these little sets, if you will, are all of the elements to make a really cute themed card. And this particular one is fall. If I turn it this way, you can see better that these are leaves. This is a border of leaves. Here we have a single die cut of a leaf. In here we have thanks and autumn. We have another leaf. This here, 2 different size acorns with a little cap. Then you have a nice little frame. This is a pocket. It's a little pocket, and I think this is the little oh my god, like the little embellishment or little accent that goes across the pocket. So I've never used it. Yeah, I picked this up at like some super clearance price, but I never used it. I'm totally going to use it now. So I think that's pretty much all I am going to share with you in terms of my kit. As I said, my projects are not going to be limited strictly to the items I show you here today. These will be the only character stamps that I will be using, that for sure. But I will probably be pulling in other items here and there from my stash, mixing it up, because that's what I like to do. So I'm super excited about this collab. A big shout out and thank you to Grace for hosting it. She's definitely getting me to get motivated, get off my tush, and use these stamps, because with the exception of 1 or 2 of them, I haven't really used them. So it's going to be fun to play with them. I'm going to be doing Copic coloring. I think I'm going to be doing some water paints and maybe a little mixed media. Let's see what's going on. I might incorporate one of these cuties into my mixed media journals. Let's see what happens. I got the next 4 weeks to kind of let this mellow and swirl around in my brain and see what I come up with. So again, I am going to link all of the participants down below, and we have some very strong veteran crafters participating in this challenge. So I know the events and the projects are going to be off the chain. I think I might have dated myself using that little phrase. I don't think kids say that anymore, but this grown-up does. There might be some prizes being given away with some of the channels. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet. I am currently hosting a giveaway, but I might pull some things out of my stash to give out as part of this collab. Let's see. Don't know. I'll try, but I'm not making any promises. Thank you so much for visiting, my friends. I truly do appreciate it, and I hope you will continue to visit me for the next 4 weeks and see what I come up with. Until next time, my friends. Bye-bye.